quick look at what an electrician earns in Malawi. The average electrician income in Malawi is around $900 a year. That leaves an average electrician's salary in Malawi at about $760 after tax, which brings home roughly $63 every month. While that average electrician pay is low, working in big cities helps because an electrician wages in Lilongwe reach $900 after tax. On top of that, living outside Lilongwe usually costs much less, so lower take-home pay can still cover your basic needs. Starting out as a beginner means your pay falls well below that average level, but learning fast helps your earnings go up quickly. It is hard to earn more unless you take on a lead role or move into supervision. Getting a university degree helps you step into much higher paying roles, which is why educated workers can advance to electrical engineer or site manager. You can also make more money by gaining special skills like industrial wiring.